Hi guys, so this is my analysis on DXY. What am I expecting on DXY, guys? I'm expecting a buy move on DXY because overall I see a buy move, and my reason is because if you look at this bigger time frame, this is a 1 month time frame right here. We can see we have this engulfing candle right here. I'm expecting a bit of a retest to at least my 61.8% fib level, then it continue to push to the downside, and my target will be 95. My overall target on DXY is 95 right there, but we have to take it one step at a time. So currently I see it retracing to at least my negative 61.8 pip level, and the reason is because there is this breakout structure here, right? This breakout structure around that area, and it aligns, it's closer to my negative 61.8% fib level, so there's a possibility it might just come up here, weak around this zone right here, then continue to push to the downside. But this is like the overall reaction is still the down move until otherwise happen, until we see break of structure here before we now change it our bias to a buy. But right now it's still a sell, but this is like the overall direction. So now I'm going to a smaller time frame because what I do is top down analysis, right? I like to do top down analysis just to see the overall picture on the market. So now let's go. So now we can see that we are currently on an uptrend, right? You can see we've been moving, going, moving. So what am I expecting now is let me go to a smaller time frame. I can draw a line here from here to here. Yeah, I'll go to a smaller time frame right now. Let's do this previous one. So I can also draw a trend line right here just to show what we are looking for. Okay, I'll go to 1 hour time frame. So now let's see, let me go to further fifth. Okay, now I'm seeing it. So we can see that I think we might drop a little bit to the downside. That's what I'm saying. We might drop a little bit to the downside. So there's a possibility we might drop to maybe this retest this zone right here, because there was a breakout the zone and it hasn't retested yet. So we might push down a little bit. Let me go to a more smaller time frame. Even if this is like a weak rejection, we can still see it's giving me like an breakout structure here. So give us breakout structure, push up a little bit, then we might push to the downside. Let me go to the 15-minute time frame just to see. Okay, let's see here. So like I said, I think you're gonna push to the downside here. I can see this as a breakout structure right here. You can see this as a breakout structure. I can also see it's currently around this 15-minute imbalance right here. So I have a 15-minute imbalance around that area here, which is where it is currently at. So those are like the confluences I use to see what we are doing, and we are around confluences 15-minute time frame 1, right? We have time frame imbalance, a touch of trend line. So we are currently around this touch of trend line. You can see whenever we get to this trend line, there is a bounce, right? Now to take this trade right now, I just need more momentum, more bearish momentum for us to continue the trade to the downside. So that is what I need for us to see right here. Let me draw my fib to see my target. So I can draw my fib point A to point B right here. Let's see, right around here. Let me go to a bigger time frame just to see what I'm looking for. Okay. Okay, yeah. So this is what I'm currently looking for. We are currently retracing around my 70.6% level. I just need, like, even this candle is really good right here, but I want if the market opens, let's see how it reacts around this area. My possible target is here, right here, 104, which is my negative 27% fib level. So I think we might start coming from here down to this level right here. Let me change the color of that. So that is what we are looking for right now. So on the XY, I am looking for a possible sell on the XY until otherwise happen. Like I used to say, you don't predict the market to react to the market. So if any other thing happened, then there's a possibility we might continue to push to the downside, to the upside I mean. But before I see it pushing to the downside, I will want it to at least break this counter trend line right here that I placed around this area right here. So before we see a possible move, I'll prefer to see like a counter trend line, like I said, for us to see. So something like a break of trend line here retest, then that would give me confirmation we're pushing to the upside. But as of right now, I am seeing more of a sell rather than a buy. So that is my quick thought on DXY, guys. Hope you find this helpful. If you do, don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and share. And I'll see you in my next analysis, guys. Thank you for watching.